Okay, so we put a flat body screwdriver behind that knob there and just prise it off, which reveals the screw, and whip that screw out. Just lever gently around the edges. And the whole panel just comes straight out. Now if you've got a black box fitted for your insurance, this is where they hide them. So just tucked away under here, you can just see in there a little red light glowing, and that there is the black box. So I can just put all this back in again. All back in place. Right, screw this dashboard back together. Just a single screw in the front. And then put the blower nozzle back on again, which is somewhere there. Bingo. If that's been of any use to you, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.